The 2026 Honda CB500X continues its reign as one of the most versatile and approachable adventure touring motorcycles in the middleweight segment. Since its debut, the CB500X has earned a reputation for being a dependable, affordable, and confidence-inspiring machine for both new and experienced riders. In the 2026 iteration, Honda has made a series of subtle but meaningful upgrades that further refine the platform without straying from the core formula that has made this bike such a success. With a freshened-up aesthetic, improved suspension geometry, and incremental tech enhancements, the latest CB500X delivers a riding experience that feels more composed, more keepable, and even more ready for both daily commuting and weekend exploration. Visually, the 2026 CB500X adopts the slightly more aggressive design language, building on the previous model's rugged ADV styling with sharper bodywork, a more angular fuel tank, and a redesigned front fairing that integrates seamlessly with a new compact LED headlamp setup. The updated windscreen is now slightly taller and more aerodynamic, offering better wind deflection for highway riding while maintaining adjustability. Honda has also introduced new paint schemes and graphics that give the CB500X a modern, adventure-ready look without going overboard. While it doesn't have the bulk or stance of a full-size ADV like the Africa Twin, the CB500X successfully conveys the image of a serious long-distance machine that still remains approachable to a wide audience. At the heart of the CB500X remains the trusted 471cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, which has been subtly retuned for smoother throttle response and improved mid-range torque delivery. It still produces around 47 horsepower and 43 Nm of torque, making it A2 license compliant in European markets and well suited for both city maneuvering and relaxed highway cruising. The engine's character remains one of the highlights of the bike, smooth, forgiving, yet responsive enough to keep more experienced riders engaged. The 6-speed gearbox remains slick and precise, and with the addition of a standard slipper assist clutch, downshifts feel smoother and clutch effort is reduced, especially useful during heavy traffic or long hours in the saddle. One of the most notable improvements in the 2026 CB500X lies in the handling department. The bike now comes equipped with a revised Showa SFF BP, or Separate Function Fork Big Piston USD fork, and a reworked rear monoshock, both of which offer better damping characteristics and increased travel for light off-road excursions. Suspension travel remains road-biased but is now more absorbent on uneven surfaces and dirt trails, giving the CB500X a more planted feel on broken pavement or gravel roads. The 19-inch front wheel paired with a 17-inch rear continues to strike a smart balance between nimble street handling and light adventure capability.